Welcome to today's video on marine engines classification. In this video, we will be discussing the different types of marine engines, their features, and their applications. Let's begin with inboard engines. Inboard engines are typically installed within the hull of the vessel, and are commonly used for larger boats and yachts. There are three main types of inboard engines: electric motors, diesel, and gas. Electric motors are gaining popularity due to their eco-friendliness and silent operation. Diesel engines are known for their durability and efficiency, making them a popular choice for commercial vessels. Gas engines are commonly used for recreational boats, and are known for their ease of maintenance. Moving on to outboard engines, which are mounted outside the hull of the vessel. Outboard engines are commonly used for smaller boats, and are available in two main types: 2 strokes and 4 strokes. 2-stroke engines are known for their high-speed performance and are often used for racing boats. 4-stroke engines, on the other hand, are more fuel efficient and have a longer lifespan, making them a popular choice for recreational boats. Finally, we have electrical motors, which are available in DC 12 volts or 24 volts and are commonly used for small boats and sailboats. Electrical motors are eco-friendly and quiet, making them a popular choice for environmentally conscious boaters. It's worth noting that some boat owners use automobile engines for marine use. While this is possible, it's important to replace the antifreeze for heat changers to prevent damage from saltwater corrosion. In conclusion, understanding the different types of marine engines and their features is crucial for selecting the right engine for your vessel. Whether you're looking for durability, speed, fuel efficiency, or eco-friendliness, there's an engine out there for you. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.